well, I'm going to make you learn how you can apply slicer on your dashboard. Here it is. Well, let's do that. These slicers look different, so that I have, make it of different color. Let me hide this for the bigger area on my screen. So this data for the time being is not very much clear to you. So you want to generate a region wise chart. So just on clicking you can find the region wise. On each region you can generate, doesn't matter, wherever on which you want to see the region wise performance, click on the slicer, and here you can see that all the charts are dynamic. And from region wise you can go to the department wise as well. In each region, in admin department, this is the performance. In finance, in marketing, you all can see this. In R&D, and yeah, in city branch also you can select, and if you want you can clear you know the slicer. Accordingly you will get the result. All right. Well, let's stop it.